The first thing you want to do is you go to where it says controllers. Then you go to change grip order. If your controllers are already together as one, you press L and R for 3 seconds. If you did it the right way, these two little green squares are going to be on the left and right side. Now, as you can see in the screen, it's asking you to do one final step. So now you press the L and R for 1 second. And now the Joy-Cons are synced into one controller, and that is how to sync both Joy-Cons to your grip controller. Now I will show you how to sync just one Joy-Con instead of two. The first thing you do is take off the Joy-Cons. Since we're doing the right Joy-Con, press R for 3 seconds. Then press these two rectangle buttons at the same time for 1 second. Now you will see the Joy-Con on the screen to confirm that it is now synced. Then if you want to hook up the other one, you follow the same procedure as the last one. Grab your Joy-Con firmly with your index fingers. Press on the two rectangles with your two thumbs at the same time for 3 seconds. Press them one more time, but for 1 second this time. And that is how to connect them separately. If you want the Joy-Cons fusion to the same controller, you will need the controller grip. You will start with the negative for the left side, and then the positive for the right side. But as you can see, they're still not synced together with the Joy-Con grip on the screen. So to fusion them with the remote, press L and R for 3 seconds. And now the two controllers will show up in the same square on the screen to let you know that they are now synced with the Joy-Con grip. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching these type of beginners tutorials, please like the videos and subscribe to Detailed Beginners Tutorials.